You look tired and sleepy. What do you want right now?
I want sleep, bro.
But that is not at all option because viewers are wanting more from us. So what do you want to be awake?
I know what you're talking about, and that's why we have come to Kutub Bun Maska and Chai
At
Mira Road. And this place serves the most delicious Malai Irani chai and Malai Bun Maska.
everything they put malai. You have your bun mustard malai, you have your Irani tea with malai. So stay tuned as the Chili Fry brothers show you the preparation of all the items said by my brother.
And after that, we'll also taste it and let you know how it is. So stay tuned, have fun, and stay subscribed to the Chili Fry Brothers. Okay, so let's see how the famous Kutub Irani chai is made. Water is first brought to a boil along with the tea powder in a copper vessel. So they first add the boiled milk, piping hot boiled milk, and to that they add this tea concentrate which is come from the copper vessel. Now most of the customers choose to have it with that malai layer on top, and boy, isn't that so very tasty. Just look at that. Now other than the Irani chai, they also serve various bun maska preparations, and the Chili Fry brothers are tasting the bun maska with malai. Now they use a whole lot of amul butter, and to that they are adding that malai filling. But don't forget that sweet bun which is so very soft. Now you can share it with your friends, and that's why they cut it into bite-sized pieces. Are you feeling hungry? Well, we sure are. So cheers to you, and see you on the other side. So the Chili Fry brothers are tasting first the Malai chai. It's only at 12 rupees, but it's very, very rich and creamy. Engel, why don't you tell them why?
We all know Irani chai is something, the speciality over the years. It has been so famous, especially in the region of India. Thanks to the creamy, in fact this is the first time we are hearing of something known as Malai Irani chai. We have showed you all so many times Irani chai, but now we are seeing first time Malai Irani chai. So obviously the word Malai is nothing but cream. So as soon as you keep on the lips, the floating Malai just hits your palate, and you just feel creamy and nice. And after that, hot tea, hot tea, it's really soothing, really nice. And this tea contains a lot of milk. That is why it is thick, and it is given like shots, vodka shots.
And they have used buffalo milk, which makes it even more rich. And to go along with that, the Chili Fry brothers have also ordered a Malai Bun Maska, and look at it inside. There's so much of malai all over it, and there's a whole lot of amul butter. This is only priced at 30 bucks. Engel's already had a bite. So Engel, why don't you tell us how does this Malai Bun Maska taste?
Actually, my palates are enjoying the flavors of the butter, and then again malai. That is a creamy texture. Then again butter, which is salty. Again the cream. Again this, and to bind them all together, we have the bread, the soft bread. No doubt, this place is perpetually crowded. Yeah, even on a weekday. So I think we deserve one more bite. So bro, one more bite, and we take
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!